Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new around here, my name is Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood, interiors and all that kind of stuff. So feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you all on board. So today's video is going to be a shopping haul video. I've been to several different shops and picked up some homeware items. So I've been to Primark, B&M, Home Bargains, IKEA and Aldi. And there might be a little bit from Poundland as well. So if you'd like to see what I picked up in those stores, please keep watching. I'm going to start with Primark. I've been after some velvet cushion covers in this sort of winter green colour. And instead of buying the whole cushion, they are doing cushion covers, which is absolutely brilliant. So these came in at £2.50 and they're so soft and cozy. I've got loads of the cushion pads, the cushion fillers already. So, you know, all I've got to do is unzip, put the cushion in there like so. I absolutely love the colour of these. Look at that colour, that lovely winter green colour. Cover itself is so well made. It's got that piping going around it as well. So I've got two of those to put on my bed. And I absolutely love them. £2.50 each for those. Okay, so next up from Primark, I picked up these cozy socks. These are £2. You get a pair of cozy socks. Just take them out. It's got that dog tooth design on one of them. And the other one is just like a plain grey pair. So to keep me nice and cozy when I'm watching TV or doing my editing or just to keep me cozy around the house. So I've got those and those were £2 for the pair. Okay, so next up from Primark, I picked up this shower curtain. Now it's got that palm tree leaf going on in there, and this was actually £6. I do like Primark shower curtains. They come in this little bag that you can actually use to put your toiletries in. It comes with these plastic ring things as well. And also, this would actually make a nice backdrop. If you're doing like filming, you can just have it behind you as a backdrop. So I got this and this was £6. Okay, so next up from Primark, they have a whole new range of Spa Century candles and reed diffusers, all that kind of stuff. The scent of this one is eucalyptus and geranium. These are tea light candles, so you get 24 tea light candles and they smell absolutely gorgeous. They smell like the spa. You know when you go to the spa and you've got that nice sensual, like essential oil kind of smell? That's what this smells like. Really nice. I love those. It comes in this nice little gift box as well. So I've got these, and the reason why I've got these, you know when you're wrapping up your Christmas presents or a gift for someone, put one of these in, and then when they open the gift it just smells absolutely gorgeous. I've got these and it's £1.50 for 24 tea light candles. Okay, so next up, I couldn't believe that I found this in Primark. This is something like you'll see in John Lewis, Home Sense, Laura Ashley, that kind of higher end kind of store. And it's this sand timer. Got this lovely gorgeous smoke grey colour on it. This is actually glass, and you just do like that, turn it around, you got that nice sound. Oh, the sand just falling down there. I'm not sure how many minutes this goes on for, but I will time it and put a note up there so you guys can have a look. But I just absolutely love it. It's just such a gorgeous piece to just have in your bathroom, on your dressing table, in your office. I just love it. And this came in at £6. They did have other colours as well. They had this colour, which is this like grey, smoky grey colour, and they had like a lighter, like a glass, more clear glass colour as well. Absolutely love that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some of the items that I picked up in IKEA. So the first item that I picked up in IKEA was this classic alarm clock. Wanted to get a clock that we can just put on the bedside table or on the windowsill. So you know when you wake up, you're not sure what time it is. Just have a glance and you can see the clock right there. So I got this one. It is a mini alarm clock, but I don't really use an alarm clock, you know, I just use my own body clock. I wake up at the same time every day, you know, without having the alarm. But I just like the look of this clock. So we got this, and this was £4.50. Okay, so next up from IKEA, we picked up a tin of these biscuits. These are oat biscuits with raisins, and they're absolutely delicious. Through lockdown, we've been doing lots of baking and making our own cookies, but these are so nice. We actually got these around this time last year as well, and IKEA have introduced them again. So yeah, so I'm just gonna open and show you what they look like, you know. A nice sized biscuit just to dip inside your tea or coffee. Really lovely. And I remember last year what we did with these, me and Oakley, we actually decorated it with icing on them. But yeah, I got these, and I think these were £2.69 for the 350 gram of biscuits, and they come in this lovely tin as well that you can actually keep to put a cake in, or you can actually keep it to put biscuits in. So I've got that. Talking of baking, next item that I picked up was this long loaf tin. I find that when you bake a cake like this kind of size, you can slice it like that, and it's like a nice size to put on the side of your plate with your tea or your coffee, you know, or a juice, whatever. Rather than a round cake, you have to cut it in like in that sort of shape, if you get what I mean. I've done what I've done with the receipt, so I'll put the prices up here for each of the items. But yeah, this is non-stick as well, and yeah, so I got that. Okay, so next from IKEA, I don't know if you remember seeing my Aldi and IKEA haul that I did a few months ago. Unfortunately, I had to return the bath tray back to Aldi because it was a little bit too long for my bath. It was actually hanging over too much. So went into IKEA and I saw this in there. So, you know, I've been after one of these for a little while since I returned my one back to Aldi. And I just got this basic one. I can still put my phone on there or my tablet on there while I'm actually having a bath, and I can put a nice candle on there and so on. They actually had a whole range of bamboo accessories for the bathroom, you know, to match this tray. I just need this, so I got that. Okay, so next up from IKEA, I picked up some of these IKEA kind of styly command strips. It says on the packet that it can hold a maximum of 2 kilograms or 4 pounds of weight. They're for photo frames or anything that you want to hang on the wall. Maybe a light-weighted mirror. You can use these to put onto the wall. So I've got those, but I'll give those a try. Next, I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in Home Bargains. There's only a few. So the first item that I picked up was this freestanding toilet roll holder and storage caddy. So you put your toilet roll on there, and this bit here you can actually add a couple of rolls of toilet rolls, you know, for storage. So I got this, and again, I can't remember how much this was, but I'll put the price up here for you guys to have a look at it. So I got that. Okay, so going back to my IKEA and Aldi haul, I did actually pick up a mirror in Aldi at the same time, but I also had to return that mirror because it wasn't double-sided. They had the mirror on one side and the other side was the palm leaf design, which was absolutely fine, but I prefer to have like a double mirror. So this one is normal on this side, and on the reverse side, magnified by 3, which is absolutely great. I can't remember how much it was, but I think it was around £3.99. So it's exactly the same concept as the one I picked up in Aldi, but this has got the double mirror. So the next item that I picked up in Home Bargains was this candle that I've got lit burning now. It smells absolutely gorgeous in the room at the moment with this candle. And this scent is Trick or Treat. It smells really like pumpkin-y, kind of orangey kind of scent, kind of Halloween-y, kind of autumny kind of smell. So I've got this, and I think these in B&M are £3.99 for this size candle. So I've got that, and I've got that burning just over there on my little display. Love that. Okay, so next I'm going to show you, there's one item that I picked up in B&M. And I've been after this item for a little while now, and I was quite lucky to get it this time around, you know. So yeah, it's this lovely clock. It's a Roman numeral clock, and this came in at just £9.99. I absolutely love it. I haven't taken it. Yeah, it's actually stuck to, you know when they stick it to the box, you've got to unscrew the things at the back. You know, so I can't actually take it off, but the numbers are actually cut out, so whatever colour your wall is, it will just go with your wall design, you know. So I absolutely love this. It's got Mayfair London on there as well. So yeah, so I got that, and this was £9.99. Okay, so next up I'm going to just show you a couple of items that I picked up in Aldi. I got these pack of 2 pillows. You can just see it. I got this pack of 2 pillows. These came in at £5.99. Okay, so the next item that I picked up in Aldi was this gorgeous orchid flower. Now look how gorgeous this is, guys. It comes in this nice ceramic bowl as well, and it just looks so realistic. I absolutely love it. Just see the lovely leaves there, like so. They look so realistic. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. So I got that, and this was £12.99 in Aldi. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a couple of items that I picked up in Poundland. So impressed with the Poundland Pep & Co range. It's absolutely amazing. The next item is just so cozy, so autumny, so wintry. I just had to have them. Now look at these faux sheepskin slippers. Absolutely gorgeous. These came in at £4, and this is in the Pep & Co range. They've got that lovely fur going right through inside into the slipper there. So cozy, love those. So I've got those. Okay, so next up in Poundland, I picked up these tin of biscuits, another tin of biscuits. I picked up quite a few of these for Oakley's teachers at nursery for Christmas. Thought I'd get them now and put them down. Look at that cute design. I think it's like a reindeer or a fox on there. So sweet, so cute. And then around the tin, you've got all these lovely illustrations going around there. You know, Santa Claus, a little teddy bear, you know, a fox, a reindeer. Just so lovely. Just the tin by itself is so gorgeous. You know, you can keep the tin and put little bits and bobs in there. And these were £1 in Poundland, so I've got those. I thought I'd just show you them because it's sort of like Christmassy. I will do another Poundland haul in a couple of weeks time, showing you all the Christmas bits that I picked up from there, because they do have some lovely bits in at the moment. But I know that's the first phase, and they're probably going to get some more items. But I saw these and I thought definitely going to pick them up now, so I know these are going to go. So yep, so I got that. Talking about the Christmas, I'm going to give you like a little sneaky peek of some of the of an item that I picked up already for Christmas from Poundland, and it's this battery operated starlights. So lovely. I've put some batteries in already so you can see what it looks like. You know, so lovely. Now I'm just going to put them across here because my background is white and then these are white. Maybe you're not seeing them, but I'll just put them here so you can get an idea of what they look like. And like, you get 6 little stars there. Absolutely gorgeous. Love those. Okay, so that's the end of my mini shopping haul, guys. I really hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comments below which of the items was your favorite. Mine was definitely the orchid flower that I picked up in Aldi at £12.99, and also my timer that I picked up in Primark for £6. You know, okay, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my videos. Really do appreciate all of you around here. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you all on board. I've got some great content lined up for you all, but if you have something particular that you want to see on my channel, please do let me know. Those of you who are returning and always comment on my videos and interact, I really appreciate all of your comments, and I really appreciate all your likes and everything like that. So I love you all. Stay safe, keep well, share the love, guys. Share the love. If you have friends, family that you feel that would like my content, share the love with them, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.